Hello everybody, my name is Kendall if you didn't already know, and if you guys didn't know, you should definitely click that little subscribe button that's right down below to enter my fun little family. So today I wanted to show you guys how to go from a 2 to a 6! Anyway, this is my updated makeup routine, but I figured it would be more fun if I was like, how to go from a -17 to a 9. But I'm not a -17 and I'm also not a 9, so I'd say from a 2 to a 6. So this is the look that I'm going to be showing you guys. If you guys are interested, then just keep on watching and we will get right into it. Initially, I start off with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I have psoriasis, as you can see, this little patch on my face. I literally have it all over my body. It's gross. I have a whole video on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over quickly what I do before I actually start, because I'm gonna start listening to music because I cannot ever do like the chit chat get ready with me, because I have nothing interesting going on in my life other than the fact that I work, and that's it. The primer that I'm using right now is the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. It literally rocks my socks. I color correct using the e.l.f. little color correcting palette. Literally all I use is the green one. You can see I have officially hit pan. I don't know if it'll focus. That's fine. That seems like my kind of quality content. And then I cover up my under eye bags because I never sleep. Foundation I'm using right now is the Maybelline New York Up to 24 Hours foundation. What is it? Is that really what it's called? Oh no, it's the Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I used to not set my face, and then when I started working more, I realized I was like literally sweating off my makeup. So I started setting my makeup. I'm using the No. 7 translucent powder. I forgot to mention what eyebrow product I use. Literally had this thing since I was maybe a junior in high school, and I'm a junior in college. So yikes! I need a new one. But anyway, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown. Then I use the Hoola bronzer to bronze up my face. For the highlight, we use the Tarte Skin Twinkle. This is what the palette looks like. I think it's super cute. And then this is what the inside looks like. It's so shiny. I'm so sorry if I'm blinding you. I don't ever use the middle one. I don't know what it's for. I literally combine, I combine the side two. And of course, holy grail, I use the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. And then for the mascara, this one was recommended by Miss Megan, my best friend. I love her. It's the Cover Girl Clump Crusher. I actually really like this stuff. I've never used it until she told me about it, and I really, really like it. And then for eyelashes, ladies and gentlemen, I use the Ardell Wispies, the original feathered lash with Invisiband. These are great. Oh, focus on me, please, ho. Literally just take this. Let's see if I can zoom and show you what I'm doing. So I take my finger and my eyelash, and then I kind of just like, I tap it so it's like flat on my finger. It's not gonna focus. Focus on my finger. And then I kind of just run it along my eyelash and create a thin layer. I say thin as I make literally the thickest layer of eyelash glue I could possibly ever make on here. It's fine. Perfect on the first try, bitch! I'm going down, down, and really around. And sugar will going down, swinging. I'll be a number one with the bullet. A loaded gun complex, hacking and pulling. We're going down, down, and really around. And sugar will going down, swinging. I'll be a number one with the bullet. A loaded gun complex, hacking and pulling. Is the Morphe liquid lip in Vanity. This literally was $10 and it's the best thing I've ever purchased. So if you want a good liquid lip, buy from Morphe. Also, when have they ever done anything bad? Today I am curling my hair with this, but it's the Bed Head by Tigi by Tigi. Couldn't tell ya. I don't know how thick this is. I'm guessing 1 3/4 inches, because that's, I believe, what most of these look like. I like this wand. I like wands a lot better because I don't know how the clamps, I don't know what you call it. I don't know how those work on curling irons. So I literally just take a brush and I section out my hair into 3 different portions. I look like a crazy crackhead, but it's fine. I'm fine. I like to make a fool of myself on camera, so I just literally tie it in a little knot, a little top knot, and I look like I'm doing coke. And then I take another section and I do brush it out so it doesn't get knots in it, just because my hair is so thin and I don't want to go bald. I'm gonna put this in fast motion because after this it's literally the easiest thing, and you can get it from just watching it. I don't have to explain it. You literally wrap your hair around, you hold it for however long you think you need to hold it for. I usually hold it for about 17 to 20 seconds, and then I let go. And then I let it sit. Like, I don't like brush it out, or I don't brush it out with my fingers immediately. I let it sit until after I'm done curling my hair, and then I brush it out with my fingers, not an actual brush. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, as well as hitting that subscribe button. And if you guys have any favorite products that I didn't use today that you would recommend for me, comment them down below, because I pretty much will buy whatever you tell me to. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you next week with another video. Peace out, babes.